Hello people, this is Elliott Wave. Today is Thursday, the 3rd of July, and as promised, we're going to be looking at gold. So here's the update for gold. Last time, I think I updated about 2 weeks ago. So we were looking for downside within wave C. This is my primary count, primary in terms of preferred count. It's playing out. The reason why I have it labeled the way I do, just in case you're new to the channel, it's very simple. Basically, I see 3 down, then I see 3 up. Hence, I'm expecting further downside. Now, what could happen is, so I'm gonna delete these just on the hourly, just for some clarity. Zoom in here. What could happen is, instead of having 1 and 2, we actually we could be moving sideways. That's also a possibility, into a triangle in wave 4. Okay. Now remember, this wave 4 is pairing up to this wave 2. So far, proportion are very nicely respected. But it does look like the top in 3 indeed was in place, and we are just correcting into this wave 4. So I'm expecting further upside. Now I can be wrong. I'm wrong sometimes. But that's what I've been looking for. Now, the previous forecast was successful. Let's see some alternative counts here. As you can see, this was a very bullish alternative, which got invalidated with a 1-2. Because once again, as I mentioned a minute ago, if I remove the waves, this is a 3-wave move. It looks like a 3-wave move. So sometimes you gotta label not what we think, but what we see. Okay. So here, for as always, let's do this. It looks like 3, doesn't it? 3 ways, a trend on make. And also another bullish alternative that I had here was indeed suggesting some sort of a potential wave 1 and 2. Let me also delete here wave 1 and 2, because if you zoom in, you could somehow count. God, I hate it when this happens. You could count as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Couldn't you? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3. Let's see if the algo is able to see it. No, probably my bad, because I miss. Let's try again. Never mind. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please don't have me label it. Just gonna waste time. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we go. WXY, ABC, whatever. Into wave 4, up in 5. And now downside. Now the question is, so one thing I'll say is this kind is possible. Not my preferred one, as I mentioned, it's possible. We also have wave equality of 4 against 2, intermediate degree, which was very close. So relationship between wave 4 and 2 are respected. Remember, corrections all the same degree will tend towards equality. As I mentioned in yesterday's video, the other day I saw a count like this. Now, how on earth is this wave 4 the same degree of this wave 2? Okay. So, now, as I was saying, the question is wave 2 in place? Is this a wave 2, or is, I think we can get rid of this, or is this a wave 1? Okay. Now here you can see the subdivision, nice and clear. Well, it is a good question. Clearly, if you wanted to count as wave 1, allow me a second to just 1, 2. I believe if it is a diagonal into wave 1, I believe that wave 5 here, wave 5 is actually longer than 3. So let's do 3 or 5, and it is indeed. So it cannot be an anti-diagonal, because in a contracting diagonal, every wave is shorter than the one before. So wave 5 must be shorter than 3, but we just witnessed that wave 5 is longer than 3. So that's not possible. Otherwise, I kind of struggle to count as 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 1. No, I can't. So what does it mean? Well, it means this is not a 5-wave move. So if it's not a 5-wave move, then we could be indeed into a triangle. So obviously the subdivision for a triangle is an ABC. Okay. Or else, I guess, this scenario is possible. Trying to just you know what? I kind of prefer this as a complex. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. And this does kind of look impulsive. Okay. Probably a 1, 2, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of some degree, potentially this one, to then top in wave 1. Sorry, once again, I'm trying to, so on and so forth, right? So, summing up, this is possible, and this suggests a bottom in place in wave 2. This is also possible, and as we just witnessed, I cannot count 5 down here, so I cannot see that as a wave 1 or a wave C. Hence, I mean, what could actually be is, W, X, Y, okay? So that's also possible. So either a triangle or a complex into wave 4, either that, or this is possible. Now, could there be, okay. Could there be anything else? Yes. Do I see anything else? No, otherwise I would have told you. Any questions? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the content, I really appreciate if you guys subscribe. It really helps. It costs you nothing. Thank you for watching, and have a great Thursday.